Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your portfolio exposure on ETF.com, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your portfolio exposure on ETF.com, start by visiting the ETF.com website. Once the home page loads, locate the portfolio section in the main navigation menu. Click on the portfolio option to access your portfolio settings. If you are not logged in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, find the My Portfolio tab on the left side of the screen. Click on My Portfolio to view your current portfolio holdings. To update your exposure, look for the Edit button, usually positioned at the top right corner of your portfolio overview. Click the Edit button to enter the portfolio editing mode. Here, you will see a list of your current ETF holdings along with their respective weights in your portfolio. To adjust the exposure, simply change the weights of each ETF as needed. You can either type in the new percentages or use the slider tool, if available. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on the total exposure to ensure it adds up to 100%. Once you have made all desired changes, review your portfolio summary for accuracy. When you are satisfied with your updates, locate and click the Save button. After saving, you may want to revisit the portfolio overview to confirm that your changes have been applied. For ongoing monitoring, consider setting up alerts for any significant movements in your portfolio's performance. Now, you have successfully updated your portfolio exposure on ETF.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.